Perched outside in the pouring rain, trying to make myself a sip. Then I float to you, my darling, with the evening on my tail. Although not the most honest means of travel, it gets me there nonetheless. I'm a heartless man at worst, babe, and a helpless one at best. Darling, I'll bathe your skin, I'll even wash your clothes. Just give me some candy before I go. Oh darling, I'll kiss your eyes and lay down on your arm. Just give me some candy after night hour. I was cold outside in the pouring rain, trying to make